Hey guys, do you want to learn how to wrap a car yourself? You're in the right place. This is VinylFrog. Welcome to our brand new series, Beginner Vinyl Wrap Tutorial. In this series, we'll walk you through the entire wrapping process step by step, from preparing the vehicle to installing the wrap and handling finishing details. We'll show you the techniques, tips, and mistakes to watch out for along the way. So, let's get started. Before starting the wrap, the first step is to thoroughly clean your car. Make sure to remove dirt, dust, and any contaminants from the vehicle. A clean surface is essential for achieving a smooth and professional wrap. When the car is clean and ready, let's prepare the vinyl wrap for this project. Let's open the package and take a closer look. This is Glossy Metallic Royal Green from VinylFrog, a deep and elegant green shade with a premium metallic finish. The rich color and metallic shine give the vehicle a luxurious and eye-catching appearance. Before we start wrapping, let's go through the tools we'll need for this project first. A microfiber towel is used to clean the surface before wrapping. It helps remove dust, dirt, and other contaminants to create a cleaner working surface. Gloves help keep your hands clean and prevent fingerprints or oils from getting onto the vinyl surface. A heat gun is one of the most important tools for vinyl wrapping. It helps soften the vinyl and improve its flexibility during installation. This digital heat gun allows you to monitor and adjust the temperature. Avoid overheating and keep the heat moving. Avoid staying in one area too long, as it may cause vinyl deformation, discoloration, or damage. Squeegees are essential tools for vinyl installation. They help press the vinyl smoothly, remove air bubbles, and create a clean finish. Different colors are available for different preferences and working habits. Magnetic holders help keep the vinyl in the correct position during installation. They make positioning easier and improve working efficiency. A utility knife is used for general cutting tasks. It helps trim vinyl and handle small adjustments during installation. A vinyl cutting knife is designed for more precise vinyl cutting. It helps create cleaner edges and more accurate cuts. An air release pen helps fix small air bubbles during the wrapping process. It allows you to release trapped air without damaging the vinyl. This edge finishing tool set helps handle detailed areas and improve edge wrapping. It is especially useful for corners and hard to reach areas. A tool bag helps organize and store all your wrapping tools. You can keep your tools inside and carry them with you during installation. This makes it easier to quickly access the right tool whenever you need it. All the tools shown are available on our website. We also offer a professional 14-in-1 vinyl wrapping toolkit, which includes essential tools for beginners and installers. It's a convenient option to get everything you need in one package. The product link will be available in the video description below. Now that our tools are ready, let's put on the tool bag and start measuring the vehicle. Before cutting, start by measuring the front bumper and hood. The front and rear bumpers are similar in size, so one measurement can be used for both. For side panels, place the vinyl directly and cut along the body shape. Now, let's use a measuring tape to measure the front bumper and hood. Leave some extra material for easier installation. Leave 5 centimeters, or about 2 inches extra vinyl, for edge wrapping and installation adjustment. Now let's prepare the vinyl for the front and rear bumpers. First, remove the packaging and pull out the vinyl roll. Based on the measurements we just took, cut the vinyl to the correct size. Use a vinyl cutting knife to make a clean and precise cut. After that, separate it into 2 sections based on the bumper height. One piece will be used for the front bumper and the other piece will be used for the rear bumper. After cutting the bumper vinyl, remove the protective liner from the surface. This helps prevent the vinyl from curling or lifting while being stored. Please carefully roll the vinyl back up and keep it organized before installation. After cutting, label each vinyl piece. Don't forget this step, or different sections can easily get mixed up. Keep them organized by vehicle area. Next, we'll prepare the vinyl for the hood. Measure the hood size and cut the corresponding piece of vinyl. Remove the protective liner and roll it up for later installation. Now, let's prepare the vinyl for the side panels. Pull out the vinyl roll and place it along the side of the vehicle. First, trim the vinyl along the shape of the roof and rear fender to cut the larger section. This large section will cover the side body panel, rear fender, and both doors. The leftover vinyl can also be saved for smaller areas of the vehicle. After that, cut the remaining vinyl into pieces for the front and rear doors. Remove the protective liner and roll the vinyl back up. For the other side of the vehicle, we'll repeat the same process. First, follow the shape of the roof and rear fender to cut the larger section. After that, cut the remaining vinyl into pieces for the front and rear doors. Remove the protective liner and roll the vinyl back up. Finally, prepare the vinyl for the front fender. Cut the vinyl to size, then remove the liner and store it properly. That's everything we need to prepare the vehicle before wrapping. We've completed the cleaning, tool preparation, measuring, vinyl cutting, and organizing. Now all the vinyl pieces are ready. In the next episode, we'll start the actual wrapping process, and we'll begin with the door panels. Follow along as we install the vinyl step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the next episode of our beginner vinyl wrap tutorial series.